All right, welcome back everybody. Another episode of Guess the Price. Today we are going to be switching things up a little bit. We've added a couple more interactive elements, so we really want you guys to play along today. It's going to be a little bit more of a Who Wants to Be a Millionaire style, where there's going to be 4 options. I want you guys to comment down below how many of these you get right. I'm actually also going to have a couple lifelines to use throughout the episode, and we're even going to have a special guest. So stay tuned and let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so we got a Lakers Kobe pair of Air Forces, clean color blocking, little stenciling near the rear. Okay, I'm gonna say, I hope that these aren't listed at $125, $100 shoe. I hope not. Okay, I don't think it's 500 either. It's either gonna be 200 or 275. I think I'm actually gonna go with, 200 here. B, final answer.
C.
275. Okay, all right. It's a little bit above what I expected, but I can potentially see that here. Good stuff. Okay. Ooh, I really like these. Yeah, I dig these. Brushstroke type look. This is some really cool abstract style. I dig these. Okay. Oh boy. Let's do. Give me the 50-50 here.
Eliminate C and D.
C and D. Okay, so it's A or B. Okay. These better not be 135. I'm gonna go B, final answer, 225.
A.
No, come on. These are way too cool, and this is a really cool style. I would love to see these in more colorways on more shoes. Really cool stuff here. All right, a Man U pair. I got no respect for these, all right? But that Pogba portrait is pretty dope. Man U logo looks clean. I like that there's a little bit of shading towards the ends there. I don't know what shoe this is. I don't know which kind of shoe that is. 150, 200, 275, 475. Okay, I'm gonna go. These are, these portraits, logos, absolutely phenomenal. These are easily worth C, 275.
D.
D, 475. Good for you. Good for you. A lot of respect. You know what? That Pogba portrait, that's fire. That's really clean. Let me zoom in more. Yeah, that's good stuff right there. I dig that. Dig that. See kicks. Okay. A pair of Jordan 1s here. We got some accessories added. The skulls are clean. I can't tell if this was an all-white pair to start. The skulls look good. This is either a women's pair or a kid's pair, so naturally the base shoe might be a little bit cheaper. I don't know here. I don't know. I'm going B, 225.
C.
C, 350. All right. Cool. Yeah, you're adding external accessories and you're really trying to create something unique, and these have a very custom feel to it, so I can see that. Okay, cool. Ooh, I like that little photo edit. All right, cool. Let me take a zoom in here. Those look good. Yeah. Blends, they got a nice painterly feel to them. I love me a good Lion King theme. 55, 85, 200, 450. Okay, come on, I need one for me. I'm going C, 200 here.
B.
B, 85? No. These are worth more than 85. That takes way more than, that's easily, that probably takes you 10 hours or so. All right, we gotta work for above minimum wage. All right, let's see. Oh man, these are awesome. All right, I gotta zoom in here. Okay, these are well done. You could say that. Oh boy, I don't even know where to begin with these. I gotta use one of the lifelines. I'm gonna call my good friend Rupsy Banks right now. Let's see what he has to say about these. I gotta send him the pictures too. Okay. All right. Yo.
Hey.
I just sent you a couple pictures, man. So we are on an episode of Guess the Price, and I need your help. So take a quick look at them, man. Let me know what you think.
All right, let me check them out. Hold on.
It's a good pair, man. It's a good pair.
Oh my, are those feet?
Those are feet.
Come on.
Oh man. All right. So
that's good.
let me tell you the 4 options. Shoes included. $50. Option A. B 125. C 220 or D 335. What do you think they're listed at?
Shoes are at least $100, so it's got to be more than 125. I would say 230. Is that C?
That 220. 220 is option C.
220. I
Yep.
would say 220, and I'll give you a rough 34.295% estimate. That's just a rough guesstimate.
For sure, man. Appreciate your help.
Yeah.
All right.
Love you, Regis. Love you.
Take care, brother. All right. So, I got some faith in him. I think that's what I would guess too. But I feel like I've said like 220-ish multiple times today. But I got to trust the man. We're going to go with option C, 220, final answer.
A.
$50? You're paying me to take your shoes with that price? Oh, come on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yo, those would have everybody stopping you if you wore those in the mall. That's one of those pairs. Oh man, these are too funny. Okay, let's see. Ooh, look at that. That's some clean Galaxy work. I like these. I don't know how much that base shoe cost. I'm not sure which Jordan model that is. Artwork's clean. 75. I think that's at least some $75 shoe. 130, 250, 355. That 250, 220 spot has burned me today. Okay, clean little vignette at the bottom. Okay, final answer is going to be B130.
B.
All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. Yeah, I think that those could be worth a little bit more. This is the beginning of a really good, almost Serato style theme. I think that you could pack in a little bit more detail into those characters, charge a little bit more, keep practicing that lightning, and then you are definitely onto something here. Great stuff. All right, so we got a pair of Kyrie 6s here, done with the Space Jam theme. Let's zoom in on those characters. They look well done. I like that background. The background looks clean here. I like those rope laces too, the 2 different rope laces. These deserve some better pictures, I could say that for sure. But, okay, it's not 80, it's not 150, 225, 360. I still got that one lifeline. So I'm gonna use my double dip lifeline right here, where I get 2 chances at the right answer. First one is burned me earlier, but first one, I am going option C, 225. All right, these aren't 150, and they're not 80. Process of elimination, only one left, D360. All right, good for you, let's go. All right, thank you guys so much for joining us for another episode of Guess the Price. Be sure to comment down below how many correct answers you had. I didn't do that well today, but we also want to know who you would like to see featured on the next episode of Guessing the Price. What other customizers do you want me to have as a lifeline? Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to go ahead and leave a like on the video if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you guys in that next video.